Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We are in search of a blocker plate, and I think I know where it is. A blocker plate that's been abused or treated badly or broken. Alright, this one. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so just looking at that now, we can tell that somebody's had a real good go at it from this side. That's what they've done to it. They've pulled it apart. The person, whoever's installed this as well, has only used one of the bolts, not two, so that could be half the reason. It's down. Lucky for me, I carry in my back pocket a blocker plate, BP700E. I believe that's a stainless steel blocker plate, 2mm, with the moon cut out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fit that in the same place, because it's the same footprint, so the holes will be the same. I'm going to re-drill those extra holes, and then this door will be back to good. Alright, let's get going. Okay, so there we have it. We've fitted the stainless steel blocker plate in the same place. Now for the test. That's good. We'll fix that one up too, and we're done. Okay, so that's the blocker plate, stainless steel blocker plate, available from our website. Part number BP7000E. Takes this hex driver, and doesn't come with the hex drive, it's just an Allen key, but looks a lot nicer than the one that was there. From that to that, there's a bit of a difference. Okay, thanks for watching.